advice would you give to founders, say in your position 5 years ago, that are trying to turn cutting-edge science into real-world biotech solutions?
I would say two things. One is just like go explore it. In a way, starting a company is much more challenging than I expected, but also it's a little bit less challenging. The nuts and bolts of it are actually a little bit more straightforward. You talk to investors, you talk to lawyers, you can talk to banks, and you can get the thing off the ground. Talk to people. Like don't assume that it's impossible just because you don't know how to do it. Go talk to people, figure out how to do it. The second thing is talk to the people that are at the very end of what you're trying to do. So the clinicians, the commercial people, understand, are you actually solving the right problem for whatever the, say, disease you're trying to treat is? It may be a good extension of your science, kind of starting from the science moving forward. Is this a good idea? Maybe yes. But you want to make sure that that idea actually solves a real world problem and is the best way to solve it. I think a lot of really incredible academic science, it's a great idea, it's a new technology, it's a new platform. You think about how we could build a new insight, but that may not be the biggest problem the field is facing right now.
Right.
And you want to make sure that whatever you're going after is going to make the biggest impact it can.
I'm going a bit off script here, but based on that, say the academic to commercialization pipeline, what do you think is something that we could change or improve on in that pipeline to get more discoveries from the bench and say grad school out into the biotech world?
I think the biggest thing is we need to diversify the biology we're going after. The field is so concentrated on a very small handful of targets. The field competes in programs that are very similar to each other. We're building drugs twice as fast as we find new targets to build them against. And so the field is very crowded, very similar. It is just to build drugs that are different. Like take more risks, try more things, diversify the pipeline, because that's going to move the field forward. The more we learn, if we test more things, the more we can improve.
Would your kid self have ever imagined that you'd be where you are today?
Oh, not at all.
No.
I mean, this is not even in the forecasting, not even in the dreams. And it wasn't something that was really an ambition per se either, but once we started thinking about the company, this was just the next step. It's like the next thing to do. When the opportunity came out, it was like, this is the best thing we could do for science, for patients, for the field, I think.
Biotech TV's coverage of San Francisco Healthcare Week is brought to you by HSBC Innovation Banking.